Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off sound on Monopoly Go. To disable sound on Monopoly Go application using iOS, first launch open your Monopoly Go game by tapping on the app in the app drawer. Also make sure that you're logged into your Monopoly Go game, and once you are, tap on the menu bar at the top right hand corner from the main homepage. In the expanded menu, tap on Settings at the bottom. Now, under Settings, you'll be able to see a sound option at the very top. Simply tap on the tick mark right next to sound and make sure that the box is unchecked. After you uncheck the box, you will not hear any sound within the game. That is how you should be able to turn off sounds on Monopoly Go application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.